New to crypto and wondering, how do people actually buy Bitcoin or Ethereum? The answer? A crypto exchange. Let's break it down. Super simple. A crypto exchange is like an online shop where you can buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even Dogecoin. It works like a stock market, but instead of stocks, you're trading digital coins. There are two main types of exchanges. Centralized exchanges, CEX, run by companies like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. They handle the trades for you. Decentralized exchanges, DEX, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, where you trade directly with others using smart contracts. Think, CEX equals easy, DEX is more control. Using one is simple. Sign up. Add money with your bank card or UPI. Pick your coin and hit buy. Just like online shopping, but you're buying digital money. Most big exchanges are safe, but you should. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Only use trusted platforms with good reviews. Remember, in crypto, you are your own bank, so stay alert. To recap, a crypto exchange lets you buy or sell digital coins. It's like Amazon, but for crypto. Use it wisely, stay safe, and welcome to the crypto world. If that helped clear up your confusion, give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Block Basics for more crypto made simple. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.